This is the 1999 Nissan Elgrand. It has 55,811 miles. It comes with the VG33 3.3 liter 6-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This Elgrand is also 4-wheel drive. It does have the 2 front doors, along with 1 rear sliding door and 1 rear hatch. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know they have not been punched out. As y'all can see, they also do go away. I did want to let you know that this vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles. As y'all can see right here, 89,821, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 55,811. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We will go ahead and start on the driver's side. All right, we are on the passenger front tire. All right, passenger rear wheel. Driver's side rear wheel. I want to tell you guys thank you. We do appreciate y'all so much. Thank you for the continual support, and have a blessed and safe day.